Hi guys, so today we will be opening this box that we got from, just got it. It says for Amalia, which is me, and Inbar, which is my brother. So we decided to open it. And you guys can share with us. So let's start opening. You can do this side, I'm doing this side. What? No, Treasur Ex! Oh wait, do we get two? Is this like, oh we get only one. Oh, is it one, two?
I think Treasur Ex
I think we can get
but
dragons.
I didn't do it in our channel.
So look,
Please subscribe.
if you like Treasur Ex. We've got this. So she's the expert. I'm just liking Treasur Ex. What's this warning? Choking hazards.
Yeah,
Do not choke on it. Don't eat it.
don't eat it.
Woo. So let's open it.
Wow, that's going so
It's like, oh,
It's like melted
Open it.
gold.
oh there.
I just opened it.
What is this?
Baby Go-Go! Let's
Go
see.
go.
Oh,
Gold.
the map. What is this? The map. Let's see. Where's the coin? Where's the coin? Oh, the coin is just here. I found a coin.
So hard.
Look at the fire in the
Look. It's like, oh, it's hot.
Look at
Oh,
the
look,
dragon.
turn around.
Oh. I want the twin.
I want-
the
no.
ultra rare twin.
I want this one, and so does my brother. They are so cool.
I want to see.
Tell us in the
I want
comments
to see
which one you want.
But Amaya, we can't do comments. Oh, this one looks so cool. And
Oh, it's that. Oh, I think it's a brick.
yes, the coin.
What is this? It's so we're now trying to find which treasure we're getting. So my brother's showing you. This looks like a brick, you know?
Looks it.
It's like a brick.
Yeah. Amaya thinks we're gonna get that one.
Yeah, I think we're
I think I'm predicting we're gonna get this one.
Okay, let's see. So first, to make it not as hard, we need to dip it in some water.
Wait, where's the wrapper? Yeah. It tells us how much time we have to put it in. 30 seconds. Oh yeah, 30 seconds each side.
1, 2, 3. But we won this.
From the serpent riders, we think we're gonna get this one.
Yeah, but we really do want the double-headed guy in the dark person. So let's get digging.
Actually, it might be him.
Let's start. I don't know which.
Can I please start?
Yeah, you can start.
I wanna start from here. Whoa, found something.
What? Is this an eye? Eye. Okay.
Let's see.
I think it's this one.
Yeah, we got this one.
Wait. It's also this one. Oh, wait, it's yellow. It's yellow.
That's what she...
So, we know there's an eye. Oh, wait, look. Wait, a leg. Okay, but you figure out what dragon you think we're gonna get.
What the
Oh, look, Amber, blue wing.
Blue wing, this one. Definitely this one. Oh. Or it might be this one.
Oh, yeah.
Unless...
Oh,
No, because
wait.
it's not... Yep, it's
What
this
the-
one. We got the regular mythical. We got mythical Mallow dragon. Mallow. Ooh, that hurt a little.
Amber, do you want to do this now?
We know what we got. We got the thing I predicted.
Yeah, we got like this guy.
We got the...
This guy. As you can see, this is his head. My brother says this is a heart and it's full
Yeah.
of ooze.
It's full of ooze.
Okay, so I'm gonna open this.
You can
as
read the
he's
instructions.
opening the body. But I need the tools, so... Oh, there. About our body.
This is full. Mine needed to. coming out stuff. There's going to be some. Ooh. Yeah, come on. No. It's not wanting to go out. Go deeper.
Oh. Ooze.
Told you that was. Oh, we didn't get a gold treasure. We got. Let me see what we got. We got. Oh, does everything just not?
This one. Do you see it?
No, we got. Yes, we got the one I wanted, just silver. We found.
Look
a
at this
stone one.
purple ooze.
Found it.
Oh, is that like glitter or is that just the white?
No, it's just. This thing. Subscribe, please, if you think this is awesome.
For the next video, we will be opening this mystery box, and it's so big. I so want to know what's inside. So if you want to join the journey with me, then see the next video, and we'll open this mystery.